Hey guys, it's Filet Blog here. Today I will be doing an unboxing of AMD FX 8120, and I'm sorry about if like I haven't posted any videos because well, I've been really busy with things, so yeah. This came in the mail like 2 weeks ago, and then I can like right now I'm just doing an unboxing, so like that explains how busy I am. Yep, from UA. And yes, I will be doing this unboxing in the restroom because it has the best lighting. So yeah, and so 18120, 8 core. So in the front of the box, nothing much really. I was kind of like this thing right here, it's bented, so here's the CPU itself. You pause the video if you want. So AMD on the back, you will have languages like describing about the processor. I'm just trying to get this camera focus. Alright, so yep, and then right here, basically it. So on the top, well, I cut it already, so we'll just like pop in the box. Okay, first thing, you'll see this notice. It says telling you to update your BIOS. So do this if the CPU is not posting. And then you got your manual and stuff. There we go. And then the processor. Oh, it's backwards. Yeah, the processor. Got your processor sticker. Alright. And then the CPU heatsink. So this is a CPU heatsink. Comes in with a box. Alright, so just bear with me. It's pretty small, you know, because it is gonna be cooling at 8 core. So then please note this thing has thermal compound already applied, so you don't need to put any more, or like any more thermal compound on the CPU. Well, if you want you can, but this should be good enough. So it's basically copper. Everything's copper, or not. Well, the block is the CPU block. It's copper. So yeah. See, look how small this is. It's like so small. Well, let me just like fix things right here. That's basically it. I mean, like this thing is good right here. Oh, sorry about that. Like the packaging, it's like tin can or something like that. Alright, so basically it. I mean, that's just basically it. You have your thing right here, your manual, processor, comes with a sticker, so that's good, and heatsink. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, but this AMD, this one right here, this top right of the box. Oh shoot, what was that? Okay, so this, you can actually like open this wide up, okay? Alright, so you can open that and then like close it back in. And like close it back in. then like you couldn't hide stuff from there. So yeah, just wanted to get that thing out there. Yeah, that's basically it. And stay tuned for more unboxings, because I am gonna do a system with this processor. Subscribe, subscribe, because in the future I will be doing reviews, like how to build computers, reviews, benchmarks, and everything. And then I'm gonna do more unboxing videos for you guys. So please subscribe. I know I haven't been on lately, but in the next few weeks I'll be uploading some videos. So yep. Alright, so subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.